I got some questions regarding some swing trading on using the Pip Wizard Pro indicator, and there's a few things I want to point out. Number one, for the spot forex market, I'm more of a fan of swing trading. 15-minute charts, 30-minute charts. I have absolutely no interest in it. There's a lot of noise in the spot market, but if you are one of those people who think you can master day trading, the spot market, you might want to make sure you're doing it in the London session or during the U.S. London overlap session, and pretty much be done by 11:30 Eastern time. But what's really important about whatever trading system you're using is to ensure that you're trading inside of a market that is trending. Okay, markets don't trend a whole lot, and when they do, they can really trend. Okay, if you think about how markets move, right? They trend, consolidate, trend, consolidate. And what's really great about the Pip Wizard is in the PDF itself, it tells you stay away from trading completely when the market is flat, like this. So you see this here. He's right. Please follow these just explained rules as mentioned. Don't ignore them. They're designed to help you. Absolutely. And there's a few ways you can determine trend. Check out Forex Trendy. There's a link below, or you can check out another video I have. It will give you the trend direction on any time frame, and you can get alerts sent to your email box. But what I want to hit here is just to point out a few things that you can look at before you take any sort of trading signal. Now you all know the definition of a trend. Higher highs, higher lows would equal an uptrend, and lower high, lower lows would equal a downtrend. This actually trade is actually really, really good. And this one rallies up for a total of 704 pips is where you would have got out on this. When this orange showed up, you would have got out on this candle here. You can also use the 400 pip targets that they have if you're trading the daily chart. But let's take a look at the trend. Then through here, we have some choppy price action. Now you can see we're trending lower, but let's just take a quick little look at what we have here. We have a lower low, lower high. Uh-oh, now we're trending, not trending anymore, right? So these signals here, you got to stay out of. You can't just blindly trade this, which would be going long. It make no sense. It's no longer the pattern of lower highs and lower lows is no longer happening. And eventually this trade, what does this go for? If you would have got in here, you'd get out on this candle here, 117. So it goes up about 336 pips. Okay. However, it's not trending in through here. Now you can make up your own rules as you go, as you do your testing on here, and maybe you see that it's not making the proper pattern that you need. So perhaps you wait and okay, well, we're in a bit of a range here. All right. Let's just do this one here. A bit of a range. Wait till it breaks out, and maybe you get on the breakout as long as it's still valid. So you would have got in this trade over here, right here, if that's one way you're looking at it. And then we have a short setup here. Well, again, what pattern are we making? So we have, in this context, we've got a higher swing high, but it's definitely a lower swing high than this. So we have got a swing high, swing low, a lower swing high, a lower swing low, boom. What do we have here? Triangle. Do not trade inside triangles, ever. You can wait till they break out. And when these triangles break out, depending how much they consolidate, you can get some really good moves out of here. All right. So you're going to miss some of these trades simply because what the market is doing. Okay. You want to be involved in trends. So we have a long setup here, and it rallies up for 239 pips. Well, let's take a look at what we're looking at. Now, even though our pattern of higher highs and higher lows is not really formed, when you see markets do this, whoops, that's the wrong one. When you see markets make these kind of thrusting actions, this is a short and it's not going anywhere, and you get a long setup the other way, for example, these aren't bad trades to take. When you get these kind of momentum moves to the downside or the upside, you don't really need to see the pattern of higher highs and higher lows to take that trade. Let's look in through here. You can see it's just a big mess, right? You've got patterns. And that's Forex Trendy. Even though this is not Forex Trendy, it talks about patterns as well. If you see what we have here, and we got this coming in here, you can see what's happening through here. So what I like about Pips Wizard Pro is that you're not, it tells you, do not just simply take these blindly. Look at the state of the market. And you're going to skip some trades. And that's fine. And if you look at this trade here, this is not bad. Why is this not a bad trade? And it falls down for, quite a ways. Down to 109 from 121. That's a massive trade. But look where it came out of. This is the short here, right? If you just do this, you got this range in through here. Not so much this, but in through here. This is a breakout. And this gave you that trade south. That's a huge trade right there. So whatever system you're trading, do not trade it blindly. Okay? Big mistake doing that. Again, we're obviously in a longer term downtrend here. We do have this consolidation here. So you see this long trade set up here, but you're not going to take that trade. And you're looking at hindsight, sure. But there's no trending. It stopped trending. As soon as you got this price action inside of this candle, these are all inside candles inside this big one, right? It's not something you want to be trading. But if you want to take the breakout trade, we're still in long trade territory right here. That's about a 400 pip trade right there. Okay? And again, read price action. Okay? Read price action. You're looking through here. That's our consolidation pattern. Trades up into it. We get a short trade right here on this candle here, and the market plummets. All right, so this is another great trade. So my point of this video is that even though these plot out on your chart, don't just blindly take these trades. These set up really, really well, and it's going to take a lot of the subjectivity out of your trading. But just make sure that you're not trading and taking trades inside of this kind of mess here. Okay, and it tells you right there. It shows you right there. That's exactly what we're looking at right there. Don't ignore that. So anyways, any more questions, feel free to hit me up. The link below. Check it out. Thanks for watching.